everyone. So here we are again. This is my third tutorial on bag making. Now in the same way, I hope you've been following me. You really need to see all three of the videos that I've made of tutorials. Okay, so in the same way as all the flat bags that I made were all made exactly the same, all these are made exactly the same. This one, this one, this one, and this one, all made exactly the same, just different sizes. So the first thing you need to do is to cut yourself a 2-inch square piece from cardboard or anything that you've got to make a square. I'm just going to run through briefly again, just in case you need clarification of this. This was the clutch bag, and this takes 2 A4 sheets. Right. This one, the small pouch, this you will cut out from there, but take off 4.5 inches from the bottom. This is for the small pouch. Okay, cut off the 4.5 inches from the bottom. That's all you do with that one. This is the pencil case, and this one, all you need to do is to cut off 1.5 inches down here. That's for the large pencil case and the small pencil case. So this is the pattern for the large wash bag. So you need to add a 2-inch strip going along there, or it doesn't matter, a 3-inch strip coming from here. Glue that on or sellotape it on as I've done, and then you want a 2-inch strip along there, and that is your pattern for the large one. Now obviously you then need to cut out the squares, so lay that on the corner, draw around it and cut out the 2 bottom pieces. And the same goes for this. This one here is 1.5 inches off again, just at the side there. Which way around have we got that? Yeah. So just 1.5 inches off the length down here of a A4 sheet, and then cut out on all of the pieces. That is your outer fabric, your lining, and either your interfacing or your headliner. You need to cut off 2-inch square from each corner. And this is the small wash bag. When you've cut this out, you need to cut out a square on each side. Right, so here is the small little makeup bag, little boxy makeup bag. All right, now I have drawn a line across here. Now I normally do the embellishment about 2.5 inches down. Don't do it right across the middle, and it looks odd along the bottom. All right, so keep it nearer to the top, but not near enough to the zip so that it gets in the way. So I'm now going to do my embellishment here, and as I say, I've ironed the interfacing on the back. Look, if you don't have iron-on interfacing and you have sewing, just sew it in like I did with the headliner, okay? No problem. Right, so I'm just going to machine on the embellishment I'm using. Right, so I've sewn a strip of pom-pom along there. Hadn't got any purple left, so I've had to use red, but I think it'll be fine. And then I'm going to machine a piece of purple velvet over the top, because I don't think it looks very nice like that with this piece showing. So I'm going to go over that with purple, and then from there I'm going to insert the zip You won't see that though, because I did that on the tutorial yesterday, so go back and have a look on that if you need instructions to put the zip on. When you're putting the tabs on the zip, cut it right off to that metal piece, all right, and then machine over the zip. All right, so I've got my zip attached there. Now, in the same way that we did in a similar way that we did the flat bags, you're going to machine right the way around, but this time don't machine these squares. So you're going to come across the bottom, down the side, make sure that your side seams are exactly together here, to here, across the bottom of the lining, but make sure that you leave a gap, so you only want a little bit machined each side, and down there, then right the way down the other side. All right, I'll be back when I've done that. Right, so I've now machined right the way around, leaving out the squares here on the sides. So next thing you need to do is just cut down your seam allowances just to get rid of some of the bulk. Right, I've prepared my corners like so. I've put them together. Don't be tempted to machine across here and then start going out the side. I've seen that happen quite a lot, but try and keep it straight right the way across, and across here, and across here, and across there. All right, about 1/2 inch seam allowance. And by the way, I keep forgetting to say, make sure that you open your zip before you sew around your bag, because otherwise you can't turn it through, and it's very frustrating because I've done it many times. Right, okay, so this is nearly finished. So get your hand inside the lining where your gap is, and this is probably the most complicated thing of the whole bag, really, is just getting it turned through. Now, obviously, when you're doing this, you get it very creased up. Now, what I normally do is I shove a clean tea towel inside, puff it out, and get the iron on it, and get it all smoothed out again. Like so. I'll just turn this through, and I'll be back. Right, so here's the little bag we've finished. I hope you understood everything I said. Please get in touch if you didn't, and you'd like some more help. I'm always here to help you. Right, so I'm enjoying this, and I hope you are. I've got so much more to share with you. Yeah, so much more. And if you like what you hear from me, then please subscribe to my channel and press that bell. I really do appreciate it. So I'm just gonna run through a few, try saying that quick. I'm just gonna try and run through a few of the things that you can expect from me. And bear in mind that I do loads of different things. I'm not a patchworker, I don't just make bags, I do all sorts of things. So we're going to do an apron. The next tutorial will be on a simple apron for you to make the pattern yourself out of A4. So get yourself some A4 paper. I mean, of course, bills come in A4 paper. I mean, letters come in A4 paper. It doesn't have to be new A4. It's just any A4 sheet of paper will do, all right? So I'm going to make Christmas trees, 3 different Christmas trees, Christmas wreaths, Christmas stockings, free embroidered gift tags and cards. I love to make hats out of old sweaters, like recycling. I love doing that. Machine embroidery. Even if you've got a simple machine, I can show you how to do that. More bags. I'm going to do pattern reviews, but there's only me in this house now, so most of them will be for the delightfully plump, I'm afraid, but hey ho. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully see you soon, and bye for now.